Okay, so now we're going to talk about GrooveVideo, and we can access GrooveVideo right here. And you know, GrooveVideo is an option you have if you, for example, have a Groove page or lead page. Then you can put in a video into that lead page, and that video is being stored on Groove.cm. But you can also put in YouTube links as a video. So let me just get started here. You can see you have the library and then categories, storage settings, encoder settings, analytics, and new video. So let's first start with the category. We can go in and then add a new category, and then we'll just say test for this one here. And there's default category, save. And now we should have, let me see, yeah, we have the test right here. So now we can go back here, and then right now we don't have anything in the library. So we can get started by adding our first video, and we can always delete it later. So we can do that right here, or we can go back and then we can upload a video over here. So let's do that right now. And now you can see you have the options to have a YouTube link, or if you have another URL link with a video, then you can click here and then upload it here. But we'll just go to YouTube real quick, and then we'll just take a quick, not my video, just a random video, and then paste that in and then press continue. So now we have the video and we can save it all. So we'll just click on save all, and you can see you can publish 4 more videos. You can add unlimited video to your account, but in order to make them live you need to upgrade your account. So because this is a free account, you only have 4 more videos that you can upload, or you can add. So but that's maybe also another reason for you to maybe to upgrade if you want more videos. And you get a lot of more features, and there's no restriction when you have a paid account, because this is a free account, and there are some restrictions on the free account. But anyway, let's go back here, and then we have the library, we have the categories that we have just talked about. And then we have storage settings. Let's go here. So you can see this is, free storage is only available to our pro members. And then down here you can see no thanks, I'll connect my Amazon S3 account. So you can, if you have a free account, then you can access your Amazon S3 and then store your videos with Groove.cm together with Amazon S3. But because this feature is it is for pro members, then we can't get the 100 gigabytes storage. As I say here, we don't have that for free because we're not pro members. But again, yeah, you can just sign up for the pro account if you want. And then let's go back here. Then we have the encoder settings. This is if you can see here. Let's set up your encoder account. Free encoder is only available to pro members. And then you can connect these one here, connect coconut.co and indoding.com. Then let's go back here 1 second, if we can do that, and then go back here. Yeah. And then one of the last things we have is analytics, and when you start to have your video, you can see here we have uploaded this video, and when it starts to get impressions and plays, then you can see the statistics for each video that you upload here. So that is basically what GrooveVideo is, and it's a really cool feature because you can set your video player so that there's a link that pops up. If you're selling something in the video, then there's a link that pops up where you can collect leads via this button in the video. And yeah, there's also a lot of other features, but the one that I really find cool is the one that I just mentioned. And it's awesome. I love everything about Groove.cm. So but I'll see you in the next lecture.